ASUS hasn't really made much headlines lately in mobile, but that doesn't mean that the company isn't bringing its own innovation. Reporting from CES 2018, I'm Jaime Rivera and Jules Wang with Pocketnow, and this is the ASUS Zenfone Max Plus M1. Yeah, I know, that's a long one. But fine, let's not butcher such a long name, as big names can have big responsibilities. This is ASUS's main smartphone push in North America this year, and it comes after appearances in Russia and Europe. It looks to bring in all of the recent innovations in flagship smartphones down to an affordable price tag, which is commendable. While specifications have been shifted around, we do appreciate seeing a 5.7-inch 2:1 aspect ratio display at 1080p resolution. And having a 4,000 plus milliamp hour battery really helps keep this phone lit AF. Now, with that said, we really do know that this is definitely a mid-range Android phone that runs on Nougat, and it does middle with a MediaTek processor. There's also a 16-megapixel main camera and a second 8-megapixel sensor on the back. That's equipped with a 6-element lens and, my favorite aspect, 120 degrees of wide field of view. ASUS also touts that the 16-megapixel selfie sensor is also enabled for face unlock, just like more expensive smartphones. All of this comes back to the price tag, a remarkable $230 as of February. That's pretty much in Moto G territory. Whether the Max Plus M1 can compare to that and other experiences in the lower end is left to be seen, but we're pretty curious about that ourselves. In the meantime, chime in the comments, let us know what you think about the longest name in a smartphone pretty much for CES. And while you're at it, follow us on social media. You can find Jules on Twitter at @PointJules. You can find me at Jaime_Rivera on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I am Jaime Rivera. We've got more coverage from CES 2018 coming soon.